Hey guys, what's up? This is a new vlog. I'm just trying to vlog as much as I can this summer for you guys. So today we're going on the road. We're going to do some classes that I'll tell you guys about in another video. But here's my outfit. I'm in the middle of pulling out my hair, so that's why it looks like ridiculous. So I just throw on this scarf, this crop top, and these pants. Let me show you my full outfit. Give me a second. And okay, yeah, so this is the full outfit. Hope you guys can see. I have on these long flowy blue pants. I have like pleats in them, and then this is just a crop top with the scarf, as I said. So yeah, we're going on the road, and I'll tell you guys more about these classes soon, I promise. So this is a better view of the outfit. Long flowy pants. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So yeah, this is my vibe. This is how I like to dress. I love long pants. Hello everyone. So I'm back from class, and once you see me with my handy dandy ring light and tripod thingy, you know I should be filming some TikToks. What can I talk? I'm gonna be filming some TikToks. I usually batch film my TikToks, but right now I'm just gonna film one. And shout out to the TikTok fam, we hit 22k. You guys are the ones who said I do some more vlogs and you want to get to know me better because you're new, so big up on yourself. Because I'm tired and I need to finish pulling up my hair. I left just enough strands so that I look presentable for class. But baby, up under here, it's all messy. So let's go outside and film this one TikTok.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder.
Personally, I like to use my phone, the camera app, to shoot my TikToks, and then I edit it in TikTok Studio. Or you could even edit in like CapCut or InShot, but I never film like from TikTok.
I'm talking late night for you.
And before you guys say it, I know I need to get a tripod. I'm gonna get one. Okay? I'm gonna get one. But it's like, me, if I'm not putting in a big order on Amazon, I don't want to put in any order. Like, it has to be like 4 items. Like, that's crazy. Anyways, onto the hair. So we'll start, pull out some already. Gotta do the rest now. Ciao.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?
You know, if only I liked short hair, this could be like a vibe, like a Bobby moment. But I hate short hair.
Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Get that.
guys. So it's Friday and I have another class today, but I have some other errands to run afterwards, so I'm going to take you guys with me on my day. So we have class, to go to the tax office, I have to go to my gym to renew my membership, and I have to go pay some bills. So that's the plan for today on this lovely Friday, and then it's weekend and I have some fun well, it's a holiday weekend again, so we have some activities to do, but I think that'll be in the next vlog. So Friday errands, and yeah, let's go. Okay, outfit of the day, just wearing this navy blue bodysuit, these Calvin Klein leggings and some slacks. We put on some sunscreen. You know, the black girl sunscreen is essential for the summer. I really should put this like all over my body, but I'll do that off camera. Good. Sunscreen is a must. Perfume. Think I'm going to go with Ajwad by Latafa because it's going to be a really long day. And this is long lasting and strong. Yeah, that's all I need. And that's it. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. It's currently like 5:30 in the morning, and I'm going for a walk. So I'm going on a beach trip on Monday. Today is Saturday, so I'm gonna work out like twice daily. Today, Saturday, and twice tomorrow to get my body extra snatched. It's not really extra snatched, but I like working out like before I have a trip coming up extra hard. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So we're gonna hit walk in the morning, just straight cardio though, just straight cardio. And then we are going to do like aerobics later. So let's go. It's a bit dark, but that's the workout fit of the day. You know, I mean, fix it on something so I can show you guys real. Okay, so this is the workout fit. Reebok. Don't remember where. I think it's like Walmart or something. Tommy hats, and I'm gonna wash all of these hats when I come back too. And then I'm just going to put this shirt over myself. Yeah, just going to put on this shirt now, and then we head out on the road, on the road, on the road, on the road, on the road.
for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just another without you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on us. Take you there, take you, show you something you know.